Hi again. Let's continue where we left off. The problem statement, revised problem statement, would now become the infrastructure team is unable to find a vendor, right? When needed for any new project, right? Let's type across South India, especially in mechanical and civil, right, or facilities. So these are examples. So I'm randomly writing it down. Facilities which contributes to 45% of total vendors and 60% of the work, right? Even with a notice of 60 days, right? So now if you see the earlier one and this one, let's go back to the earlier one again. So this is what the mail would have stated earlier. Infrastructure team is unable to get the vendors as they need time to time for multiple projects, which causes projects to delay, right? So here we have written infrastructure team is unable to find a vendor when needed for any new project across South India, especially in mechanical and civil facilities, which contributes to 45% of total vendor and 65% of the work, even with a uh, uh, even with a notice of 60 days, right? So broadly, if you see, we have covered everything in Smart. If you want, you can use different bullet points even to elaborate more all these problem statements, because this helps in writing your goal statements and objectives, right? Say for example, I can write even here, uh, and this has been happening for the last 6 to 9 months, right? So people are well aware how long this problem is going on, right? Then even I can also write here active or inactive vendors, right? So I'm not telling the solution here. I'm just stating the problem and trying to put all the details into this so that the stakeholders marked in the mail or in the communication are able to understand clearly, right? So that's how you can use Smart in while sharing your problem with anyone, right? Thanks a lot for watching this. Subscribe to this channel for more on the problem solving methodologies. Thanks a lot.